In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link to share files easily and efficiently. Sharing files via Google Drive can be incredibly useful, especially when you have large files or when you're collaborating with others remotely. So let's dive in and explore the process step by step. Start by opening your preferred internet browser and heading over to Google by typing www.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, locate and click on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid or a grid of dots. From the drop-down menu, select Google Drive. This will take you directly to your Google Drive where all your stored files are located. Now scan through your drive to find the specific file or folder you wish to share. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and from here you want to choose the Share option. This will open up the sharing settings for the file. As the sharing settings window opens, you'll notice a section labeled General Access. This is crucial as it allows you to manage who gets access to your file. If your file is currently set to restricted, it means only people you explicitly add can view it. To make the file more accessible, you'll want to alter this setting. Click where it says Restricted to explore the options available. Change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. This means that anyone who gets the link can view the file, which is particularly useful in situations where you want a large group to access the data without having to individually invite them. Once you've adjusted the settings to anyone with the link, you'll see an option to copy the link. Click on Copy Link. This effectively copies the shared link to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted wherever you need it, such as in an email, a chat message, or even on a website. Finally, at the bottom of this window, you'll see a Done button. Clicking this finalizes your changes and closes the sharing window. And there you have it. Your file is now ready to be shared quickly and efficiently, ensuring smooth collaboration with others. Sharing files on Google Drive can enhance productivity and streamline your workflow when working in teams or across different locations. These steps empower you to easily distribute files without the hassle of dealing with attachments or worry about exceeding email size limits. Thank you for watching.